Shareable e-learning lessons benefit both creators and learners. Creators gain wider reach and cost-effective scalability, while learners enjoy accessible, flexible, and convenient learning anytime, anywhere. This fosters knowledge sharing and enhances learning outcomes. Creating engaging e-learning lessons can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll show you how to create shareable e-learning lessons using a fantastic free tool called uPresenter. After watching this video, you'll know all the necessary steps to create start to finish. What is uPresenter? uPresenter is an online platform that uses AI to help you create presentations and quizzes easily and quickly. It's perfect for beginners and anyone looking for a streamlined e-learning creation process. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more helpful uPresenter tips and tutorials. Okay, let's get started. First, head over to uPresenter.ai. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. The process is quick and easy. Once you're in the uPresenter workspace, click Create with AI. Enter your lesson topic, choose whether you want to include quizzes, and customize the category, style, and language to suit your needs. Click Continue, and uPresenter will generate a lesson layout for you in just a few seconds. Hover the mouse over each point, click to edit text. Besides, you can add, delete, reorder points, and create subpoints to structure your lesson perfectly. Click Continue. Select a template that complements your content. uPresenter offers a variety of templates to give your lesson a professional look. Click Continue, then wait for uPresenter to generate the lesson as settings. Here is the lesson generated by AI. Now it's time to add your personal touch. uPresenter provides a range of editing tools to refine your AI-generated lesson. You can easily edit the text using AI assistance. Just select the text, click Ask AI, and choose a prompt or type your own. Images can be regenerated or created from scratch with AI prompts. The left pane offers a toolbox for adding text, elements, media, questions, and even animations to make your lesson truly engaging. When everything's done, you can click Present or press Alt-P to preview your lesson. Once you're happy with it, it's time to share it. uPresenter offers several ways to share your e-learning content. Click the lock icon in the top right corner to publish your lesson and generate a shareable link. For offline access or LMS integration, you can also download your lesson as a PDF file for printing or as an XAPI package for uploading to a learning management system. And that's it. Creating shareable e-learning lessons with uPresenter is quick, easy, and free. Start exploring its AI-powered features today and share your knowledge with the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.